Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Thursday, August 14th, 2025. Developers schedule block level access list EIP-7928 for Glamsterdam. Gemini launches a smart wallet. Unichain activates Flash blocks, and Puffer Finance launches Unify v2 on testnet. All this and more starts right now. Ethereum core developers agreed to include block-level access lists EIP-7928 in the Glamsterdam upgrade, making it the second headliner proposal for the hard fork. Block-level access lists, or BALs for short, define in advance which accounts and storage slots will be touched by a block's transactions, enabling validators to parallelize disk reads. Last week, developers confirmed the inclusion of ePBS EIP-7732 in Glamsterdam. Fork choice enforced inclusion list EIP-7805 remains under consideration and may be added as the third headliner proposal in the future. Developers also denied 6-second slot times EIP-7782 for inclusion in Glamsterdam. Cryptocurrency exchange Gemini launched Gemini Wallet, a self-custodial smart wallet that works as both an embedded and portable wallet. Gemini Wallet is built on ERC-7579 modular accounts and is powered by passkeys for a seedless wallet experience. It also features sponsored gas fees, free Gemini.eth ENS subdomains, and seamless connection to Gemini centralized exchange accounts. Users can also recover their accounts by entering their ENS subname to resolve the wallet address, then authenticate via social login or a linked externally owned account. Gemini also introduced the Gemini On-Chain Dashboard, a DeFi hub for tracking wallet holdings, trading tokens, and accessing DeFi opportunities. Integrations on the Gemini On-Chain Dashboard include Morpho for Gauntlet vaults and Bungee for cross-chain swaps. Unichain launched Flash blocks, enabling 200 millisecond transaction confirmations on its chain. Built by Uniswap Labs and Flash bots, Flash blocks can run inside trusted execution environments, combining sub-second speed with provable fee-based transaction ordering. Instead of waiting for full blocks, Unichain streams and confirms 200 millisecond sub-blocks, reducing slippage, keeping prices fresh, and improving execution accuracy for swappers. Liquidity providers also benefit from smaller price windows, the ability to rebalance more frequently, and potentially 20% higher adjusted returns compared to Ethereum mainnet. Flash blocks are now live on Unichain, supported in Uniswap's web app, mobile wallet, on Matcha, Odos, OKX, and Zerion. And lastly, Puffer Finance launched Unify v2 on testnet, the latest iteration of its Layer 2 based rollup stack. Unify v2 currently features multi-TEE real-time proving, sub-10 millisecond pre-confirmations via the Unify AVS gateway registry on EigenLayer, and governance-optional based rollups with customizable fee markets. Future updates will introduce zero-knowledge proving as a fallback, fully decentralized proposer-delegated sequencing, and a combined ZK plus TEE proving model for trustless real-time finality. In other news, the Ethereum Foundation is hiring for a dev tool coordinator role, and Octant announces Epoch 9. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.